ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶರಣ್ಯ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಭೂಮಿಕಾ, ನಾನು VTU CPGS ಕಲಬುರಗಿಯಿಂದ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಇದು ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಕಲಬುರಗಿದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳತ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ಇಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಸಲಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಬೇರೆಗೂ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ನಾಗ.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sakshi. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in Electronics and Computer Engineering. I got selected as an intern in LR Technologies. I have learned in VTU Visvesvaraya Technological University Regional Center Kalburgi, and I learned from Kalburgi, and I have got selected as an intern in Kalburgi. I am so feeling proud for this opportunity because our Kalburgi also should build has developed something. We should also be proud for our district. So thank you for this opportunity. Gulbarga giving some good opportunities to all the students. Gulbarga came forward by giving some good opportunities like internships, job and placements to the students. Actually, the Gulbarga is not much that famous, but now it getting more placements and opportunities to all the students in Gulbarga. So today I'm going to join this offer letter in January to December as IoT and engineering. I'm very proud to be this opportunity to get. This is my first opportunity. I'm very excited to share this. Thank you.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Namrata Fatati, founder director of Hala Technologies Private Limited. We are based in Gulbarga. We are software company, and we have attending this Udyog Mela for the recruitment of web developers and software developers. So we have received multiple resumes, which we have sorted, and we have selected around 12 people. We have recruited around 12 people. So I would like to thank Accelerator team for arranging this Udyog Mela in Gulbarga. So we are looking forward to collaborate and work with them in coming years. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. So this was the Accelerator Initiative job drive, and this is the LR Technologies in Gulbarga itself. So I have been selected as a software development intern, and it's a very good opportunity to work here itself, and they are providing with a very good projects and all. For example, they are working on the front end, back end, and the middleware. So yes, this was a thing they have interned even for the other technologies as well. So this is a very good technology, and yes, that's it.
Okay.
Good evening. We are selected as an intern in LR Technology. It is a good opportunity for us as a fresher. So must learn new projects and all. Thank you. And also, I would like to thank Sharnu Prakash Patil. He is an education minister for giving this opportunity to us to give an interview and select the campus. So thank you.
Good afternoon. Today we're running a job drive in Gulbarga. This is the first drive where we started online first. Online, about 3,000 students have registered. 500 of them already interviews had happened. 100 students got shortlisted virtually without having to go anywhere. The companies are quite happy with that as well as here. Over 4,000 jobs have been offered today. Companies like Samsung, Schneider, HCL Technologies, Hinduja Group. So global Mercedes-Benz as well. Global companies are here in Gulbarga trying to hire students. I would request more students to register. Whoever can come here today by 5 o'clock, please do come. Companies are here. Who can't come, please register online. The links are still open, and we'll try and support you. And we hope that more students get an opportunity with companies like this. The link is Accelerator, XCELERATOR.co.in.
Your name, sir?
Please, Kaushik.
Electrical.
What is the offer you will do?
Yes, it is 32 to 20.
Where is the location?
It's Bangalore jewelry, sir. Yes. Yes.
Schneider is a multinational.
Yes, sir. Large business. And sir, we have a hostel in Pina Industrial Area.
So you doing the accommodation?
Yes, for first 10 days. So until they get settled to the company, so we are providing hostel too.
In Bangalore, you know, these people will come there.
So once they get their first salary, then definitely they can. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Electrical and mechanical.
It is a model. And whatever sanitary maintenance as well.
Right, sir, thank you.
Madam, 70% women led.
Women empowerment.
She took the charge for embedded. Even I tried to track her.
So first offer you are receiving in your life. All the best.
Total 10 interns and total 10 employees.
Company. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಂತರ ಒಂದು